These AI tools feel like they should be legal, but they're completely free and they can replace hours of your work in seconds. I tested a lot of tools, and these are the 5 of the most powerful ones that you can start using today. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or building something online, these tools can help you write, design, create videos, and even automate your work. Let's start with the very first one. First, an AI that can literally write everything for you. Email content, ideas, everything. Hope you have heard about ChatGPT. So here, I'm just writing a prompt to show you how it works. So it's a very basic prompt. Great, now I'll show you a better prompt. How I make it even work more. Now look at the differences. Same tool, but a better prompt gives you much more powerful result. This alone can save you hours of every single day. Second, you can design anything without any skills. No Photoshop, no experience needed. Let's open Microsoft Designer. So once you open Microsoft Designer, just log in. So I've already logged in. I've given one prompt, selected a size, just hit create. Wait for a few seconds. That will automatically create the image that you want. This is not the best one, but still you got the idea. You can literally create thumbnail, social post, even ads in second. What used to take hours. Third, turn simple text into full video automatically. This is how many faceless YouTube channels are growing right now. So open Pictory AI and log in or sign up. So just paste something, what kind of video you want. Select the video type, hit create. It'll write the story for you, the script for you. It creates visuals, subtitles, structure for you. You just edit slightly and your video is ready. Of course, check all of the settings. Once you are ready, just click on generate video. That's it. And it'll start generating your video. Look how nice it is. Of course, you can edit it from the left side. Fourth, AI voice that sounds almost human. Open 11 Labs and log in or sign up as usual. Click on instant speech and select the voice from the right side and the speed and the other settings that you want. Is the script here and hit generate. I'll show you what it generates.
Welcome to this video. Today we will explore powerful AI tools.
And finally, automation. This is where things get really powerful. So just open Make, again sign up or login. So I'll just show you from some templates so that you can understand how powerful this is. So here are lots of templates you'll find. Of course, you can create your own. So here is something that send a Gmail email from a new spreadsheets row, which is really cool. You can sync Notion database to Google Calendar directly. There are lots of things you can do. Now imagine combining all of this, writing, design, video, voice and automation. You can literally build a full online system with almost no manual work. If you found this useful, I'll be testing more AI tools like this, so make sure to subscribe and check the description. I've added links to all the tools mentioned. Thanks for watching.